Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to How to Cook Great Food again. It's me, Simon. I'm here to translate today a little bit, do a little bit of translation. Chef June, the master, is here. I'm going to hand you straight over to him.
Mabuhay! Kumusta po? Welcome po sa howtogreatfood.com, howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Ngayon magluluto po tayo ng gisadong sotanghon. Napakasarap po nito. Ito po ang ating mga sangkap. Siyempre meron tayo rito ng sotanghon, manok, gamit ko po rito kalahating kilo lang, cauliflower, repolyo, carrots, dahon ng sibuyas, baggy beans, bell pepper, pwede rin po kayong gumamit ng dilaw o pula para mas colorful, lemon juice, bawang, gagamit din tayo rito ng toyo, oyster sauce, luya. Siyempre kailangan natin ng chicken stock, paminta, asin, at mantika.
Okay, so if you didn't get that, what we've got here is cauliflower. We've got 500 grams of chicken. The bone is in, it's been cut nice and small. Green peppers, if you want, you could do a different color, give it a bit more color there. Green beans, onion, spring onions, cabbage, carrots, ginger, oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic, lemon juice, chicken stock, about 500 ml, maybe a bit more, salt and pepper, and then in the center we've got the noodles, the vermicelli noodles. You can see there, that's what we're using. We're using mung bean noodles, but you can use corn or flour. Did I get it all right?
Correct.
Lovely.
Ang first step po natin, magpapakulo tayo ng tubig. Lulutuin po natin yung ating sotanghon na mga 5 minutes. Tapos po, i-drain natin siya at gagamit ako ng panibagong wok.
Alright, very simply. So we've got some boiling water there. We just dropped the noodles in. We're going to cook them for about 5 minutes. We're going to drain them off, throw that water away, and come back with our wok.
Mag-i-start na po tayo. Na-drain ko na po yung ating sotanghon. Mainit na rin yung ating wok. Siyempre, maglagay na tayo ng mantika. Mag-i-start na po tayo mag-isa. Unahin natin yung ating bawang, pangluya. So at this point, kailangan nasa high heat na tayo. Lalagay ko na rin yung ating sibuyas at isasabay na rin po natin yung ating manok. Lulutuin lang natin siya ng mga 3 minutes. Hahayaan natin siyang mag-light brown tapos pupunta na tayo sa ating next step.
Okay, so you saw the wok really nice and hot. In went some oil. We're using the sunflower oil. The garlic and the ginger, just a few seconds. Then the onion, the chicken. We're going to go for about 3 minutes. We're on quite a high heat.
Ayan po, nagisa na po natin ng 3 minuto yung ating manok. Ang susunod po natin gagawin, ilalagay ko na po yung ating chicken stocks. Lulutuin na po natin siya ng mga 5 minuto bago tayo mag-add ng mga vegetables. Pero titimplahan ko na rin siya ng asin at paminta.
Okay, there you go then. So in went the chicken stock. There's like 500 ml of that, or roughly about 1 pint. Bit of salt and pepper. We're going to cook this for 5 more minutes. Then we're going to start adding our hardest vegetables.
Ayan po. Ang susunod natin gagawin, ilalagay na po natin yung ating toyo, lemon juice, oyster sauce. Lalagay na natin yung gulay, yung matitigas na gulay kagaya ng carrots, ang ating baggy beans, at ang cauliflower. Lulutuin lang natin siya ng mga 3 minutes, tapos isusunod na natin yung soft vegetables natin.
So we dropped in a little bit of lemon juice, maybe 2 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons roughly of oyster sauce and a dark soy. And then we went in with the cauliflower, the carrots, and the green beans. We're going to cook this for 3 minutes. We've still got cabbage, bell peppers, our green onions, and of course our noodles to go.
Ngayon naman po, pupunta tayo sa last stage ng ating pagluluto. Ilalagay na po natin yung cook na sotanghon. Tapos po, kailangan kukuha lang ako ng panibagong sandok para matulungan ako sa pagmimix. Hayaan natin siyang sipsipin lahat ng mga ingredients sa ating sotanghon. Imimix ko lang sandali, tapos po i-add na po natin yung ating malambot na gulay, kagaya ng repolyo, dahon ng sibuyas, at bell pepper. Lulutuin ko siya ng mga 5 minuto, tapos po ready na po siyang i-serve.
Okay, so you saw the noodles go in, and Chef June then grabbed 2 spoons to kind of give them a good mix in there. Then we added the remaining vegetables, some bell peppers, green, the spring onions or green onions, and the cabbage. A lot of stirring now for 5 more minutes, and this is ready. Absolutely delicious. Now, doesn't that look just absolutely amazing? Hope you enjoyed that. I'll hand you over to the master.
Ito na po ang ating napakasarap na sotanghon guisado. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng howtogreatfood.com, howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Mabuhay! Mabuhay! Siguro po nare-recognize niyo yung boses na yon. Ako nga po pala si June, yung voice behind sa howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay sa aking mga followers, subscribers sa aming channel. Dati po, naalala ko pa, sabi nung boss ko, maka 1 million views lang kami, hahalikan niya raw ako. Pero ngayon, nasa 100 million views na po kami. Kaya napakasayo po namin ng aking boss dahil na-reach namin yung 100 million views. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo, sa aming mga viewers, sa mga nagko-comments, good or bad comments, okay lang po yun, natural lang po yun. Kaya sana po, tuloy-tuloy po ang pagsubaybay ninyo sa aming channel, sa howtogreatfood.com, howtogreatfilipinofood.com. Napakatagal na panahon na namin ginagawa ito. I think mga 7 years na. Pero continuous lang, consistency lang, ika nga. Kaya na-reach namin itong 100 million views. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo. Sana walang bibitaw at mabuhay.